Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are pulling back the curtain on modern marketing and doing something that feels almost like cheating. We are going to build a full-blown, high-end commercial ad from scratch. And here is the kicker. We are not filming a single second of it. I'm talking about a fully AI generated production, the kind of polished visual that big brands pay agencies thousands of dollars for. So, what exactly are we building today? We are creating a professional commercial ad using nothing but AI tools. No camera, no studio, and no budget required. All you need is a laptop and an internet connection. This is a perfect for beginners who want to dip their toes into AI content creation without spending a dime on expensive equipment. Step 1. We need a product to advertise. Today I'm going with a pair of sleek, futuristic wireless earbuds, but you can use literally anything. Smartwatches, sneakers, headphones, you name it. I'm hopping over to ChatGPT for generating an image and I'm typing out a very specific prompt. The key here is to be detailed. I will share the prompt with you as well. I'm telling the AI exactly what I want. Matte, metallic finish, marble surface, cinematic lighting, and no text or logos. Within second, we get a studio quality image that looks ready for a billboard. You can download the image and save on your laptop. Now, here is the secret sauce that most beginners miss. You can't just upload your image and pray for magic. You need a detailed prompt that acts like a director shot list. Think of it like this. You are telling the AI exactly what camera movements to make, slow zooms, dolly shots, panning, and focus shifts. I'm also specifying the lighting, the number of scenes, and the overall style. I want a premium, Apple style commercial feel. The more detail you give, the better your result will be. Here is where the magic happens. I'm taking that static PNG image and feeding into a video generation tool's Google Flow. I paste my director prompt in, hit generate, and let the engine do the heavy lifting. Within a few minutes, we get multiple video clips, but we lucky we got one video clip with all the angle. Let's look at the raw footage. Honestly, the reflection on the metal and the way the light hits the surface, it looks incredibly realistic. Now download the video and save on your laptop. When you generate the video from Google Flow, you will get the watermark that you can remove through the watermark removal software. I have already removed the watermark and I will show you how to remove the watermark in some other videos. Now I'm taking those clips over to my editing software, DaVinci Resolve. I'm chopping them up, arranging them in a logical order, and dropping some rhythmic transitions on the beat to make it feel dynamic. Then I'm adding a clean, royalty free music track and a professional voiceover to sell the vibe. And just like that, we have a 15-second commercial spot ready to upload the social media. And here it is, our finished product, a professional looking commercial ad created in about 10 minutes with zero cameras and zero budget, all from a single image and a few well written prompts. The only downside is the tiny watermark that some tools add, but honestly, for a workflow this fast, the quality to speed ratio is absolutely insane. I have already removed the watermark and I will show you another video how to remove the watermark. If you like the video, please like and subscribe and tell me in the comment what product should I try next.